Today we're going to show you how to register suppliers in the system. In this example, I'm already on the List of Suppliers page. To access it, go to the main menu and click List of Suppliers. On this page, you can see all the suppliers registered in your system. These are the suppliers that provide materials or products for your inventory. Here, you can edit information, update supplier details, or delete suppliers from your list at any time. To register a new supplier, click New in the main menu, or click New in the upper right corner of the List of Suppliers page. Now we are on the registration page called Add Supplier. In this first section, we'll add the supplier's main contact information. Let's start with the name field. Next, enter the tax ID. In the phone field, enter a contact number. Next to it, you can fill in the supplier's address. Below, select the terms of payment. The payment terms are configured on the Setup page under the Order section of the system. Next to it, you can also add a brief notes about this supplier to help you identify them more easily in the list. Great. Now let's add a contact person. In this section, you can register one or more contacts linked to this supplier. Click New to add a new contact. Fill in the information such as name, phone, email, and mobile. Then click Save to save the information. If you want to add more contacts, simply click New again and repeat the process. The next section is List of Credits. Here you do not need to fill in any information manually. This section stores all credits returned from containers linked to this supplier. Whenever a returned credit is linked to this supplier, it will automatically appear on this supplier's page. In the Bank Info section, you can add the supplier's bank account information. Click Add New. Enter the bank name, account number, routing number, and if needed, add a note in the Notes field, then click Save. In best-selling materials, you also do not need to fill in anything manually. The system automatically stores the data for this supplier's best-selling materials and displays it in a dashboard format. You can view the data by quantity, by square feet, by month, or by year. If needed, you can also download a report with this information. After completing all the necessary supplier information, click Save before leaving the page. Then click Back to return to the list of suppliers. Here's the supplier we just registered. By clicking the pencil icon, you can edit or add any information about this supplier. By clicking the trash icon, you can delete this supplier from the list at any time. At the top of the page, you can also filter suppliers by name. Click Apply Filter to see the filtered results. If you want to download a report based on the selected supplier, click Reports. The system will generate an Excel file with the supplier's contact details, credits, and best-selling materials. To download the complete list of all suppliers, simply clear the filter and click Reports again. If you want to see how SlabWare can help you organize and grow your stone business, visit SlabWare.com and start your free trial today. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. Follow the channel, turn on notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next tutorial, folks!